Super fragrant, fluffy. This is the perfect rice recipe for you because the green peas pilau turns out so good and it's a perfect side dish. Grab the ingredients and let's make this delicious recipe. For this recipe, you'll need 1.5 cups of parboiled peas. I also have some basmati rice, onion, some garlic and ginger, pilau masala, which is homemade. You can check how to make the masala up here or in the description box. A beef stock cube and salt. That is all for this recipe. So moving to my stove top, because I've already parboiled my green peas, I'm going to get straight into cooking my delicious pilau. I'm going to add in some cooking oil, 2 tablespoons. Then I'm going to be adding in my onions. Cook your onions until they have a lovely golden brown color. Once your onions are starting to brown, you're going to add in your garlic and ginger, and then you're going to saute for around 30 seconds so that the garlic can cook and get very aromatic. While my garlic and ginger together with onions are cooking, I'm going to add in a teaspoon of my pilau masala. And immediately the pilau masala hits the pan, it's going to get very aromatic. So I'm going to cook together with the onions for around 30 seconds as the garlic and ginger is cooking. At this point, I'm going to be washing my rice. This is 1 cup of rice. So I'm going to add the rice in my bowl, and then I'm going to wash for around 2 times until the water runs clear. This is how my onions are looking after cooking for another 30 seconds together with the garlic and ginger. So I'm going to add in my rice into my pot, and then I'm going to be toasting the rice for around a minute to add in a very nice smoky flavor. For this recipe, I'm using long grain basmati rice, which turns out perfectly. So I'm going to use my spatula and stir the rice as it's toasting. After toasting my rice, I'm going to add in my green peas along with a beef stock cube. Toss all the ingredients together. Add in some salt. Stir in the salt, and then I'm going to be using the same cup that I used to measure my rice to measure out my water. So I'm going to add in 2 cups of water because I added in 1 cup of rice. Stir in the water, and the kitchen is smelling so good and has that very nice pilau masala aroma. So I'm going to cook my rice for around 3 to 4 minutes, and then I'm going to cover my pot, reduce the flames to low, and simmer my rice for another 5 minutes so that it can fully cook. Don't forget to check the seasoning as your water comes to a boil so that you can make some delicious pilau. After 5 minutes, this is how your green peas pilau is going to be looking like. So I'm going to fluff up my rice, put out the flames, and just check out how delish my rice is looking. I'm going to serve my rice to show you how perfect the rice is looking. For the perfect rice outcome, make sure to use some long grain basmati rice and you won't be disappointed. Hope you will be trying out the recipe and catch you on my next one.